Morning, guys. It's race day. It is August 20th. We're here at the Zionsville.
Okay, Anaya, let's get out with Elizabeth. Come, Anaya, get out. Anaya, get out. Anaya, get out. Come on, Anaya. Stay with your team.
That's a big field coming at us. Noblesville getting out quick. Let's go, Royals! Hang with those leaders. Let's go, ladies! There you go, Elizabeth. Hanging in there. We got Addison. Let's go, Elizabeth! Come on, Addison! Nice job! Let's go, Catey! Let's go, Anaya! Let's go, Ava! Crank it up! Come on, Sierra! HSC! Come on, girls! Let's go, ladies!
Good job, Elizabeth! Come on, Anaya! Good job, Elizabeth. Good job, Ainsley.
Come on, Addison!
Come on, Anaya!
Come on, Catey!
Anaya, pull up!
Come on, Anaya!
Anaya, you have to pull up, sweetheart. Pull up, Anaya.
Hey, good job, Annie. Good job. Way to put yourself up there.
Come on, Ava! You're looking great, Ava!
Come on, Ava. You got it, princess.
Come on, Sierra! You're doing great,
Come
Sierra!
on, Sierra. You got it, princess.
Keep pushing! Come on, Kayla! Come on, Aubrey! Come on, Daisy!
Come on, Royals!
Come on, Royals! Let's go! Come on, Royals! Come on, Abby!
Pull up for me, Abby. You got it, princess.
Come on, Royals!
Come on, Royals. You got it, ladies.
Now we move. Hey, you got about 25 spots to get in that top 40. Make that move, Amaya. Make that move. All right, Olivia. Good job. Hey, just Simone.
Come on, Royals! Come on, Maggie!
Come on, Royals. You got it, ladies.
That's perfect. Lock in, move up. All right. Lock in and move girls, up. Hey, just a mile and a half.
Come on, Royals!
We gotta move up.
Come on, Royals. Come on, Macy. Let's pull up, princess. You got it.
Good job, Annabelle. We gotta move up.
Come on, Anna. Come on,
Anna,
Royals.
Royals.
Go around, baby. You got it. Let's pull up. Come on, Royals, you got it.
33, hey, lock it and move. Move with them, Aaliyah.
Ansley. Brinkley in third.
Go Applegate. Come
Looking good. Come on, Elizabeth. You are looking strong. Nice job, nice job. Come on, Addison. Don't lose contact. Keep moving up. You're looking great. Come on, Catey. Come on, Anaya. Keep moving up. You're looking awesome. Let's go, Ava. Stay loose, stay loose. Keep moving up. Come on, Sierra. Stay focused. Keep moving up. Come on. Look. Close it up, Elizabeth. Stay within striking distance. You got it, you got it.
Come on, Charlotte, you're catching him. You're catching him.
Come on, Addison.
You're catching him. Go.
Move up, move up. Let's go. All right, ladies. Take this group right in front of you. Let's go.
Great job, Penny. Good job, Penny. Penny, look at me. Eyes up, okay? Come on, Penny. Good job. Keep it up.
Come on, Ava. About a half mile left. It's like 2 laps. Let's go, let's go. Come on, Sierra. Finish strong. You got about a half mile. Let's go, let's go.
All right, you need to pull up, baby.
Good job, Ainsley.
Good job, Ansley. You got it, princess. Come on, Anaya.
Come on, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, let's take her. Elizabeth, take her on the hill. Come on, Addison. Anaya, break away. Anaya, let's go. Anaya, you got to push through, baby. Go around. Come on, Anaya, go around.
Come on, Ava.
Oh, you got a race! Let's go!
Ansley coming in strong. Hey, looking good today. Come on, Elizabeth! I know. Come on, Addison! Usually yelling more. I'm like, oh. Nice job, Catey! Come on, Anaya! I know. First official, we had this little hokum last week. I'm like, those are painful. Let's go, Sierra.
Let's go, Sierra.
Nice job. Yeah, most of our firepower is in this race.
What's that?
Most of our firepower.
Yeah. You guys are going to keep getting better and better.
Yeah, once some of these sophomores realize what they can do, and a lot of them have already, they're starting to improve. So I think next year is good. Noblesville. You guys just have so many. So if someone has a bad day, it's you just have such great depth.
You got it. They just have a bunch of kids. I don't know what they're going to do.
What? At a minimum, you guys should be top 2 this year, I think. Nice job, Aubrey. Yeah. Unfortunately, we only had 2 in our freshman class. Total.
It's funny. That's what Ansley's grade is. They only have like 5 freshmen.
Yeah, I couldn't believe
Like 2 posts to confirm a diagnosis or treatment.
on the girls' side.
Together, we're making health possible for you.
Yeah, we. So next year they'll get Anissa. She could potentially be the number 1 runner next year.
I'll talk to her mom.
It's just fun. There's so many good teams here today. It's just a good barometer of where you can look at that INCC stats so many times and until people actually run, you're just like. I just look at track as kind of a necessary evil. I'm like, okay. Liam, yeah, he ran. The way they matched it, so they had a time trial. I think he finished 3rd in the time trial on the team. So they paired up. There was 7 teams of 14 runners. So they did 1 with 14, 2 with. So his pairing did really well. I think he had the 2nd best splits in the actual. So we'll see how he can do in an actual race.
The races keep getting a little bit longer.
Yeah, I'm glad they kind of ease the 5K, even though I would have liked to do a 5K before county. Like last year, the last 2 years, we've done the 2 Hokums and then go right to county. And it's
I'm kind of glad it's not on a Tuesday anymore, though.